Hello my friends, I know Google Colab has been a bit of a problem for us these days. Now, I will tell you how to use stable diffusion with Google Colab again. As always, we connect to our Google Colab account by clicking the connect button on the top right and press the play button for the first step. Although I have a 16GB graphics card, unfortunately its speed is very slow since it is AMD. So I am thinking of selling my graphics card and buying a NVIDIA graphics card instead. Our first step will take approximately 1 minute. There is something you should pay attention to. As you know, Google Colab sometimes displays a warning on the screen to check whether users are robots or not. If you miss clicking this warning, fortunately, we would be disconnected. I'll show you how to check this later in the video. Now, in the second step, our model will be loaded. The loading process of this 2GB model will take approximately 50 seconds. By the way, I have bad news for you. If you are using the Diffusion extension, unfortunately, due to a problem that I do not know why, the extension does not work and ControlNet cannot be loaded. We started our third step. This step may take a little longer than the other steps. I will not speed up the video. Some of our friends may make errors. I do not speed up the video so that they can check this. It may not be possible to add links to the description yet on my YouTube channel, so I will write the difficult part of the link in the description, and you can write the rest. In the coming days, I will share on my channel how to use Diffusion and other extensions, and how to make stable diffusion adjustments from video to video. If you subscribe to my channel, you can follow the developments. While the third step is being completed, let me show you a video I made with Diffusion before. I think it was very successful. What do you think? Sorry for no sound. I had to turn off the sound due to copyright issues. The third step will be loaded in the 4th minute of the video. If you want, you can fast forward the video. If you encounter any problems, you can rewind the video and watch it again. Yes, now we divide the screen for Google Colab's robot user warning and set it so that both pages can be seen on the screen. As you can see, we caught the warn. Now, we can work a little easier. Now, let's do a few quick tests. Our connection is stable. There does not appear to be any problem. I think it is due to the model I used. In the few attempts I made in the video, it could not reproduce people's faces very well. We can probably do better if we try it on a different model. Friends who have knowledge about this subject can also share their knowledge in the comments. Stable diffusion works very fast. I forgot to try it at different resolutions. Operations may take a little longer at higher resolutions. As you can see, stable diffusion works well for images from text. I hope I could help you. If you want to thank me, you can subscribe to my channel so you can access my solution videos for future problems.